Hello, my name is Satnam Thange and today I will be presenting the Selective Data Clarity Model, a hybrid framework designed for automated feature selection and outlier elimination in machine learning pipelines. Think of it as a smart filter that ensures only the most meaningful and relevant data is used by your models. Abstract and motivation. In machine learning, raw data can many times be noisy, redundant, or misleading. Traditional pre-processing methods like principal component analysis reduce dimensionality but at the cost of interpretability. Our model, the Selective Data Clarity Model, automates pre-processing by encoding categorical features, removing low variance features, eliminating outliers and selecting task relevant features. Using mutual information, Pearson correlation and random forest importance. In benchmark tests, SDC achieved 100% accuracy on the IRIS dataset compared to PCA 95%, demonstrating both accuracy and clarity. Methodology. The SDC model works on three main steps. First, categorical encoding converts text data into numeric form for models. Second, low variance removal and outlier elimination clean the data. Outliers are detected using the Z-score method. Any extreme value is removed. Third, feature scoring and selection. Retain only the most relevant features. For classification task, we use mutual information, correlation, Pearson correlation and random forest. Importance evaluates model-based relevance. This process ensures that the data fed into the model is clean, meaningful and task optimized. Evaluation and results. We tested the model on the IRIS dataset. The SDC model combined with random forest achieved 100% accuracy, whereas PCA-based pre-processing reached 95%. Additionally, SDC reduced the number of features by 30 to 50% and removed 3 to 7% of outliers. Most importantly, unlike PCA, it preserved the original feature, names and meaning, enhancing interpretability and explainability for high-stake domains such as medicine or finance. C. On the tested on IRIS data, SDC plus random forest gives 100% accuracy and PCA plus random forest gives 95% accuracy. Conclusion and future work. The Selective Data Clarity Model automates low variance filtering, outlier elimination and task-specific feature selection, providing an interpretable and high-performing pre-processing framework. For future improvements, we plan to integrate advanced encoding methods, implement more robust outlier detection techniques and optimize confidence threshold automatically. Overall, SDC offers a reproducible, interpretable and efficient alternative to traditional pre-processing, balancing accuracy and clarity in machine learning pipelines. I will provide research paper in the description. You can read it.